In the Coromandel, Moe needs a better logo. Kia ora, and welcome to the Moe Lockdown Show. Moe hopes you're all keeping safe, and Moe hopes you're singing Moe's theme song when you're washing your hands with soap and water. Remember, it takes 20 seconds to wash your hands properly, and if you have furry hands like Moe, about an hour to dry. Still damp. Anyway, Moe really misses singing with Moe's friends today. Yeah, you know Moe's friends, eh? Fern, Gilbert, and Frank. Yeah. Well, Moe thought that Moe could give them a call and sing with them over the phone. That might be fun, eh? Yeah. Okay. Oh, Moe will call Fern. She's got a lovely voice. Oh, it's ringing.
What's up, Buttercup?
Oh, hey Fern, it's Moe here.
Oh, hey, Mo. Oh, it's so good to hear from you. How are you and Teddy doing?
Oh, we're doing great. And, well, Moe has something Moe would like to ask you.
Oh, what's that?
Well, Moe was wondering if you'd like to...
Oh, sorry, Mo. Can you hold on a sec? Frank's calling on the other line, I think. Hold on.
Okay. Moe will wait. Moe likes this song. Huh? Oh, Gilbert's calling. Hey, Gilbert.
How's it going, Mo?
Oh, good, thanks, Gilbert. Moe's glad you called, actually. Moe has something Moe wants to ask you.
Okay, but it wasn't me who took your cheese.
Okay. Well, Moe was wondering...
Sorry, Mo. Fern's calling. Oh, what does she want? I didn't take her cheese. Take it easy. I'll be back soon, Mo.
This is not working out well. Oh, Frank's calling. Hey, Frank.
Oh, hello, Mo. Have you been out exploring again?
No, Moe's actually staying at home at the moment, Frank.
Well, it just so happens I know a song about... Oh, hang on. I don't. Fancy that. Oh, I thought I did, and I didn't. I wouldn't read about it.
Yeah, well, anyway, Moe thought that we could still...
Oh, sorry, Mo. Gilbert's calling me. I expect he wants to hear a song about cheese. Talk soon. Hooroo.
Oh, maybe it's better if Moe just remembers when we used to hang out and sing together. Yeah. Oh, like that time we sang with Jason. Yeah.
Listen to my guitar strum, I'm gonna sing you my favourite song. And even though playing it is tons of fun, it gets a whole lot better when my friends play along. Here's Moe on the ukulele, they're sounding so great.
Moe practices daily.
And here's Fern on electric guitar, and not a second too late.
So good so far.
When we're all singing our favourite song, the sound will come out no matter what the weather. 'Cause everybody's singing along, and life is so much better when friends sing together. Listen to us play in time, we're all playing our favourite song. And the words that I sing all rhyme, so I hope you forgive me if I sing them incorrectly. I mean wrong. 2, 3, 4. Here's Gilbert playing the bongos. That's a really nice beat.
Yeah, I know how the song goes.
Then Frank sings the harmony. That's sounding so sweet.
Stop charming me.
When we're all singing our favourite song, the sound will come out no matter what the weather. 'Cause everybody's singing along, and life is so much better when friends sing together. Listen as we slow our song, and we make it sound gentle and quiet. But don't worry, 'cause we'll come back strong, and if we all join in, this is gonna be a riot. So stomp your feet and clap your hands, and bang wooden spoons on pots and pans. 'Cause we're calling out now to all the girls and boys. Raise your voices to the sky and make some noise. 'Cause when we're all singing our favourite song, the sun will come out no matter what the weather. 'Cause everybody's singing along, and life is so much better when friends sing together. When we're singing our favourite song, the sun will come out no matter what the weather. 'Cause everybody's singing along, and life is so much better when friends sing together.
Good times. Yeah. And Moe can't wait to see them all again soon. Moe just wishes Moe could have sung with them today. Huh? What's that, Teddy? The window. The window! Hey guys!
Yeah?
Yes?
Let's sing our song! Oh, and you can sing too. And a tahiru wa toruwha.
When we're all singing our favorite song, the sun will come out no matter what the weather. 'Cause everybody's singing along, and life is so much better when friends sing together.
Thanks, guys! Mo misses you!
Aw.
We miss you too, Mo.
Oh, and Mo's gonna miss you too. Come back soon, okay? Ka kite.